Greetings, friends. Gemini Brett here with Backyard Astronomy. It's about 6:23 p.m. on Monday, the day of the moon, January 30th, 2023. I'm recording from my backyard in El Sobrante, California. Speaking of the moon, this is kind of the main event tonight. Let me come back to that. So I'll zoom out and we'll start from the west, just below the horizon. As of course you can see, if we could look through, we would find the sun right there, currently in the 6th house. In the 7th house we have the great goddess Venus. And Saturn is nearby, but I'm just losing Saturn to the bright light of the sun. It's going to have to get darker for Saturn to be seen, and it might not get dark enough before Saturn sets beneath the horizon. So as the sun has been chasing Saturn down, that's the time of Saturn's heliacal setting. This plane is trying to play the role of Saturn, but Saturn's actually much lower right now. I might have seen my last of Saturn as an evening star. Venus in the 7th house, up here in the 8th, Jupiter. And then we find Moon with Mars. And I'm guessing in the 10th house, maybe in the 11th. Depends on the house system you're using. This is right in the midst of the sacred hoop of stars. The Pleiades, the bright Capella, Castor and Pollux, the twins, who we can't see behind the house right now, and Procyon, the little dog. It's a bunch of stars of the hoop can't be seen right now, but they will be later, so maybe I will show that later. But I'm going to put this on a tripod as we see Orion hunting this bowl with the bright eye royal star Aldebaran here. And Ein, the star closer to the moon, because moon is out of bounds north right now, and just far enough north to occult Mars from the view of many places on Earth, not this one. So I'm going to see moon pass just above Mars, and I think I'm going to put this thing on a tripod and start a time lapse so that we can see while together Mars and the moon are moving from the east to the west. That's the primary motion. Moon is moving faster this way, west to east, the secondary motion, and will pass Mars by.